I got a secret. If you want beach, adults only, all-inclusive, and you want to relax, and you want it really, really relaxing, keep watching. Sun's getting kind of low on the final day in paradise at Bahia Principe. Man, what a week. What a week of just relaxation and food. I'm telling you, serious relaxation. If you need to relax, this is where you need to come. And don't tell everybody about it. Shh, don't tell everybody. Just tell a few friends, but don't tell everybody.
So where are we? Bahia Principe Luxury Samana is tucked away in the northern Dominican Republic. This boutique, adults-only, all-inclusive property welcomes you with a wide-open entryway where the friendly staff took care of everything we needed, including me needing to rekey my room a couple of times. Traveler's tip: if you have one of those iPhones that has MagSafe technology, don't put it too close to the room keys because it's going to wipe it out every time. In the lobby area, there's a gift shop, and here you can find some essentials, snacks, beverages, sunscreen, as well as clothing and souvenirs. There's another gift shop on the premises that focuses on jewelry. There are a couple digital displays in the lobby showing the day's activities and where you can book reservations for restaurants, that's a part of your all-inclusive package, and spa and excursions for an additional fee. There's also a lobby bar that is open from mid-morning until later in the evening to get your drink on. Near the bar is a table where you can get coffee and some snacks for free throughout the day. More on the food later on. The resort only has 143 rooms, and there's no other resort surrounding it, so this is a standalone. There are several different room and suite types. I've linked our complete room tour video so you can see the full review of our Junior Suite Superior Seaview room. Again, this is a boutique resort, not a mega all-inclusive, so there's not tons of pools. There's one pool at Bahia Principe Luxury Samana, but that makes sense because it is a smaller location and the beach is just steps away. The pool area was never crowded during our stay, and the music was festive but not over the top. You're not going to find any foam parties or any major beating of beats here. It's going to be at a nice level for anybody who wants to take advantage of some peace, quiet, and maybe a little bit of fun at the pool. There are a couple more bars. There is a pool bar, and to the west, there's the Sunset Bar that's open in the afternoons where people go and gather to watch the sunset. Along this path is also the Bahia Spa if you wish to have a treatment done. Further along is the resort's hot tub. It is tucked away. It's not right next to the pool, so you could miss it. So make sure you don't forget about this area of the resort where you can hang out. Not too far in the distance, there's an island. This is Koh Levantado. Bahia Principe is updating a resort on the island, and the Samana location offers you a day trip over to Koh Levantado to check it out. As of this video, the resort is not open yet, but if you do go to the island, you can relax on the beach. Another traveler told us that him and his wife went, and the water was super clear, and it was nice for snorkeling. And yes, if you work out on vacation, there's a gym. I had to throw that in there. But let's get to the food. Bahia Principe's main buffet offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Each meal consists of a nice selection of items to choose from, as well as a cook-to-order station. For instance, for breakfast, it's omelets. For lunch and dinner, usually fish and meats that can be grilled. And there's a pasta station. Now, if you're an all-inclusive person, keep in mind, this, again, is a boutique hotel. The buffet is not as big as you would see at some large resorts, and that's on purpose. It's not gigantic, but you will have plenty of items to choose from. On top of that, you get to eat your meals on the terrace with a lovely view of Samana Bay. The resort has 4 other restaurant choices. 1 is a snack bar, and 3 are a la carte restaurants for dinner. We went to each of the a la carte restaurants and dined delightfully. Don Pablo was their Mediterranean cuisine, and as you can see, the courses kept coming. Bella Italia featured their Italian menu, of course. And then there was Las Olas, their churrascaria, the meat on the stick restaurant with buffet style sides and servers coming to you with various meat options. If you've been to one, you know. The red card means stop, the green card means bring it on.
Gracias.
When dinner is over, the show begins. Every night there is an entertainment option, including the famous Bahia Principe song and a performance put on by some of the hotel staff. And believe me, that song will get stuck in your head and you'll want to sing it over and over again. Matter of fact, I play it at least once a week off of YouTube. The talent includes singers, international dance performances, and even a circus. They rotate every single night. It's very entertaining. Finally, we get to the beautiful beach on the bay. Now, you'll have to walk down plenty of stairs to get to it, but it's worth it. We spent several days soaking up the sun and relaxing on the loungers and getting into the water, which can vary from calm to maybe a little rough, but all swimmable. And there is a cutoff point in the water to make sure you don't go in too deep, and a lifeguard on duty as well. There are some areas with palapas on the beach, so you can take advantage of those for shade, and others where you're directly exposed to the elements. If you want to secure a palapa, I suggest you get there early or keep an eagle eye out for somebody leaving. And yes, that means them taking their towels as well, because a lot of folks will lay out there all day and leave the towels and belongings so they go get something to eat and come right back to their palapa. And yes, there's a bar to cater to your medicinal needs at the beach, so you won't have to climb all those stairs to get a drink.
This is the morning leaving Bahia Principe. Let's do this more often, because this was as peaceful as I can remember of a time. Hope you enjoyed the look around Bahia Principe. We gotta go catch a flight. Have a wonderful time when you get here, and comment down below if you've been here before. The peace is here. You got to get here.